Ready?
Let's take them out.
Hey yo guys, what is up? What is doing? How are y'all going? This actually is so weird. Intro is so weird. But I hope your day is amazing, perfect, and full of positivity.
It's kind of going because we
Yes,
don't got
it
much.
is going to be a short video because our last video just got canceled. So,
And we're pretty mad at that kind of.
yes, because we just spent like what 40 minutes on that video.
Like an
No,
hour.
not even 40. 3 minutes. 3 minutes 20 seconds on that video, guys. So, I mean, we're pretty mad. We're gonna say bye bye Dart Dog. He's about to come out, guys.
He ready to come out, Papas?
Hold up.
Why did you lock this? Hold on, guys. This is Senza.
Alright, so guys, this is our dog. We're also just gonna
Well,
take him
his
out.
dog.
This is my dog, yeah. But I don't know why I said our dog. I mean, we both have a dog, period. So we're gonna take him for a walk, guys, and we're gonna go on the bike. We're gonna.
Well, you gotta do this.
Why did I say bike? I actually just said bike.
Well,
Come
you
here.
ha-
Come here, pup.
well, all I have
Come
to
here, pup.
say is you have to do it, like video it because my mom's gonna be.
Oh yeah, I'll record.
Yeah.
Move it. Get off the cord. Get off. Sit. Take your ass down. Not on my lap. All right, boy. So guys, we're gonna go for a walk with the doggo. Get out of the cage because you're not going in there. Out of the.
He's full.
All right, I need you to close this door for me, real quick. Holding the pupper, guys, with my strength. And she's being very nice. She's actually closing the door because I have. You had to slam it.
We have a abuser over here.
Yeah, we have a leash, so that way the person that does.
And a pedophile. So.
I'm a doggy on a leash. Here you go.
I have to.
Oh yeah, you have to do that. Hold up. Hold this real quick though, so I can switch hands. So one hand.
All I can say is my mom. When my mom asks what I'm doing, he's videoing and he's gonna hold it for him.
So we're gonna go for a walk, guys. I have the thing around my leash. You're gonna go for a walk, dude. I just pulled him so hard. I mean, sit.
He ain't trying to be mean, but this dog don't talk.
Sit. Hey,
Sorry guys, I can't even say it right.
sit. Oh,
He don't know how to act right.
stay.
I should say.
Yeah, so this is my dog. His name is Apollo, guys. So if you think he's cute, leave in the comment section below. This is actually what we did in the last video too. We actually asked you guys a question to see if he was adorable or not to you guys. And you guys, for some reason, the video got canceled because my YouTube stopped.
Comment down below if he's a good dog or a bad dog.
Did they hear you? Here, let's go closer. You have to say that again. He's peeing.
Alright,
Video was censored.
comment down below if he's a good dog or a bad dog. It's y'all's opinion,
Yeah,
but in our opinion, we think he's bad. So.
yeah, and in both of our opinions, we think he's bad, but also kind of good. Now, sometimes y'all actually, she doesn't see him at nighttime when he's actually really bad. So, obviously, the opinion is he's pretty much bad. But
In the daytime, kind of.
yeah, in the daytime he's kind of good, but sometimes he's actually pretty nice. But he can be a little bit of a butthole. Let's go for a puppy walk. We're gonna go for a walk in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the universe. Yeah, so in our last video, guys, if you didn't hear her, yeah, so if you guys in our last video, if you didn't hear what she just said, we were doing the What Is Those challenge. We're not doing it again, though, because it got canceled, and what is the point of doing it again, and it might cancel it again, so it doesn't matter. So, we're going to walk our dog, and probably just show you guys me taking a bath. Not me taking a bath, him getting a bath. Oh my god, I said that weird. Yo, hey, you heard what I said? I said we're gonna show me getting a bath. I ain't showing me getting a bath when I'm fully naked. Honey boo boo. That is censored proof.
That's like
So all of my fingers are like stuck. Look at that. Look at my 3 fingers, they're like all collapsed. So I have this like dish kind of. That's because this dog likes to eat like food that's not supposed to be eaten. Yeah, I can break my hand doing this, by the way, guys. So please leave a like. It would be a lot of support. Huh? Yeah, don't leave a like if you guys think I'm gonna break my hand. Don't leave a like. Just comment. Because if y'all leave a like on my video when I break my hand, that's pretty much just wrong. That's pretty much just wrong because one is my bro. Can you put a 1 down? Can you put a 1 up? Like a finger? Yeah, 1. Because I can't, obviously can't do it. But obviously, 1, if I break my hand, obviously y'all know why I'm not going to be doing videos anymore. And 2, I don't know. 2 is because I can't walk the dog anymore. I can't, if I record, I won't be able to record with my left hand. Yeah. All right, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yo. I need to, I don't know where the sound is. I don't know where the sound is. When we get up in the house, I think my mom has like a bandage on her hand, like an aid band. I'm going to use that and like put it around my hand. And hopefully it'll help. Oh, y'all, so we weren't talking about anything. We weren't doing anything to the video.
Hey, accidentally, like, kind of dropped his phone.
Yeah, I accidentally got my phone.
God wasn't listening, so he had paused it for a minute.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. But we're back. So we're also just going to walk to the dog sign. The dog sign? Really? The stop sign. He's actually just behind me, guys. So he's not even, like, listening to me right now. Hey. Ow. We're actually just going to turn around right now because I don't think he's going to want to go to the stop sign and back. He just wants to go home. So come on, bro. You can tell he wants to go home. He's pulling his collar. I might have to carry him. You hold that real quickly? Alrighty, guys. So I got to carry him home because he's obviously not feeling like the walk right now. So I got to carry him home. Fat doggo in my hands. And some people are gonna.
We're pretty sure he broke his hand because, like, he can hardly move it.
Yeah, I can barely move my hand though. Like that's actually serious though. I can't move my hand. My hand is numb.
Yeah. And his mom has something in the house that he can
Hey.
move. It's really broken.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record him all the way. Yeah. My arm is getting tight. I think I'm about to drop my arm. My entire phone. Alright. You have to walk, bro. So I just had to put him down, but once we get home, I'm gonna show you guys him getting a bath. Because obviously we have to give him a bath with all the dirty water on him. Dude, you're gonna break my wrist more. Can you just go in front of me? You wanna be left? Come on. Stupid. Come on. See, and I'm the one walking in the street, guys. I mean, you guys can tell. In the street, obviously. So if there's a car coming, all of them are gonna die. Hey, yo. Hey, if I die, rip. Yo, what happened, bro? Yo, I think he just tripped. You okay? Oh, okay, I'm choking him. You okay, bud? You okay?
We should take his leash off and see what happens.
No, I don't want him to be in the road when he has his leash off.
Oh, yeah, true.
Oh. How am I gonna get my phone? I need my phone. What? I need my phone. Pick up my phone. He just bit me.
Ow.
I have to walk you like this, so I have to actually carry him, guys, because he just tripped. And see, this is an easier way to carry him because he can look around and his picture's out in the open. I might have to put you guys in my pocket.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put him down. No. There you go. Yo, mad dirt, bro. Mad dirt on my arm, bro. Alright, we're going home because I need to wash my arm and give you a bath.
We're not sure if he broke his arm or not, because he can hardly move it right.
Yeah, hardly move my arm. Come on.
We don't got time for this.
You're supposed to be in front of me. Let's head home. Dude, look. Hey, look. I'm wrapping around my arm so they don't notice. So that's gonna look at my arm. Come on, puppy. Puppy.
My sister has the same hair as you.
Yeah, but she has it dyed blonde. It's not dyed, it's actually permanent. Mm-hmm. She got it bleached. Ow. He just cut my arm. Yes, he actually just cut my arm, bro.
I told you, he cut my hand.
Oh, you're gonna need to walk him because I think my arm, it's not bleeding yet, but come on, let's go. Yo, mad cut my arm, bro.
Sorry if I hurt you, but
I mean, we're at the house now, so.
I got this. Get
Got
my
it?
bike. Get my bike.
Did I take it up there?
Yeah. What now?
I don't want to end the video. I think I might accidentally end the video, guys. Sorry about that if I end the video on accident. Yo, mad laggy video, bro. Put your kickstand down. Put your kickstand down. Don't go around the bike. No, he keeps going around it. Here, go. Hold it.
Got it. How about if my
No.
mom comes through and she sees my bike? Am I getting in trouble?
I don't think she will though, right? Bro, can y'all even see my arm?
She'll say you're a stranger.
Here. Look at my arm, guys. So if y'all can tell, my arm is obviously pretty red right now.
We think he broke it. I'm sure though.
Yeah, but we're gonna probably head inside just to get from a bath real quickly from all the mud.
And see if he broke it.
Yeah, and we're gonna see if I broke it. I mean, I can still use it, but I mean, it's obviously just.
Now we're going to let you free.
All right, come here, pups. Come here, pups. Come here, puppies. All right, we're gonna take him to the bath. Can you show his body? All the mud. So all this mud on him is gonna be coming off real quickly. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with the doggy in my hand. I can't do it.
Slow down, buddy.
No. Here's a fun fact. He does not like the bathroom. He doesn't like the bathroom, so we're gonna see how he's gonna like the tub. He's gonna not. He's gonna run out the bathroom.
That's how my dog does.
Alright, come on. Time for a bath.
Oh, he actually stays kind of.
He
Take
does.
his collar off.
No, we have to keep it on. It's okay, dude. I need the. Can you give me shampoo? Shampoo. That's body wash. Yeah, one of those. Body. That's conditioner.
Oh my god, dude.
Here. Open that. You. What's wrong with my hand? No,
I didn't.
Alright. Sit. Sit.
Yeah, feel good?
I was thinking for a dog bath. Oh.
It gonna give him a bath right now.
Alright, you gotta keep it right here. If you hold him, I got there real quickly. You're gonna get soap on your hands, but.
Who cares?
I know, right?
Just soap. You can wash it
Here,
off.
I got it.
Sorry if I get your phone kind of wet.
Can you go get his towel? It's that blue one on the thing.
Where? Where is it? In the living room?
You can't get out. You can't get out.
In the living room?
Yeah, in the living room.
Comment down below if you see a towel in here. Because I don't. Maybe it's because I don't have my glasses on right now. I don't know. But yeah. I don't. It ain't in there. Wait, it ain't in there.
Hey there. Wait, I had to carry him.
He liked that. He liked
super
that
wet.
bath.
Look at that thing right there.
Right here?
Yeah, see, there's a towel. Is there a towel?
I have to wash the rag.
Here, let me use this.
I'm pretty sure your mom won't care.
Come on. Oh, dude, you can't get out yet. Not till I'm done. All right.
Do you think you're gonna be warm? You're dripping all over the place.
Yeah. I'll pick that up later. You're getting me wet.
We should take him outside.
Oh, you know what he's gonna do in a minute?
Hmm.
He's gonna shake off. I can't do this with this dog. Can you fix that?
It's already fixed.
My puppy's a cute doggy. So guys, as you can tell,
Ow, he wet.
yeah, I didn't mean to get his head wet. I didn't mean to. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm. He has still soap on his head. Looks like.
Come. We're not gonna walk him anymore. Come here. Come here.
Not till tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna walk him again.
Then this is gonna be our last thing is ending the video.
No, you can't take the towel.
We're about to end the video after this, right?
Yeah. And this towel was here. It was like right here.
Oh my god, I can't see nothing.
Yeah, I did.
I should have brought my glasses.
So guys.
By the way, me and him have glasses, but I hardly wear them.
So guys, this is the dog cleanly, professionally, and I just had some pee-pee.
Oh yeah, comment down below if you think he's soft.
Yeah, if you guys think he's soft, let's get him outside. Let's put him outside.
Oh my god, he smells good. Now my hands smell.
You are fluffy and the blah blah, but you're gonna go back in the cage.
Alright, make sure to give this like big thumbs up.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that outside. Where did I put my pop?
Oh yeah, that's right, you dumped it out.
Yeah. Okay, so let me go get my pop can real quick. Oh, I got water all over me. So,
I'm going to do it.
Yeah, so obviously this is a Taco Bell cup, but it's mixed with KFC, so we're gonna do the outro real quickly, guys, because we're gonna end the video because I don't want this YouTube video to be deleted. For how much YouTube deletes things, it's so annoying. You know what I mean? Because YouTube will just delete your video. I can't turn my camera on, but guys, there's the puppy, buttery as fuck. Wait, I can't cuss on YouTube because it'll censor it. Oh no. It's blurry as fridge. But, yeah, so we just gave him a bath. Obviously, I'm soaking wet because I just gave him one. But, yeah, we're going to see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. What else did they do?
And comment down below if the video's good.
Yeah, so like she said though, if the videos are good, comment down below guys and let us know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.